Can a green card actually be taken away? It's a question many lawful permanent residents are asking, especially those who plan to travel abroad or have already spent time outside the United States. With growing uncertainty around immigration enforcement, it's natural to wonder, how secure is permanent residency? What could put it at risk? And how can you protect yourself? In this video, we'll break down the facts, what the law says, how status can be lost, and what every green card holder should know to stay safe and in control. Why some green card holders are feeling concerned in 2025. In recent months, immigration attorneys have reported an increase in cases involving travel-related issues for some of green card holders. While most reentries to the U.S. remain routine, some travelers have faced additional questioning. And in a few cases, individuals have been asked to sign Form I-407, which formally gives up their green card. There have also been isolated reports of lawful permanent residents placed in removal proceedings after returning from extended trips abroad. These experiences are not the norm, but they are real, and they've raised questions within the immigrant community about how secure permanent residency truly is during international travel. So, what exactly puts a green card at risk? And what steps can you take to stay protected? Let's break down the key legal reasons a green card can be lost and how to avoid common mistakes. The legal grounds for losing your green card. 1. Abandonment. If you spend more than 6 months abroad or over a year without a re-entry permit, you may be considered to have abandoned your residency. That alone can trigger a review at the border and possibly lead to deportation. 2. Signing Form I-407. Some green card holders have been asked to sign this form during re-entry. Once signed, it's official, you're giving up your green card. Therefore, never sign it without understanding the full consequences. You have the right to say, I want to speak to an attorney, I want to see a judge. 3. Fraud in your application. If your green card was obtained through a fake marriage, by providing false information, or submitting fake documents, it can be revoked. Even something like claiming to be single when you were actually married, or failing to mention a previous visa denial or immigration issue, can be considered fraud and lead to removal proceedings. 4. Criminal convictions. Even if it happened years ago, a criminal record can come back to haunt you. Aggravated felony, drug charges, embezzlement. CBP now has access to most state and federal databases. If you're flagged at the airport, you could be held, questioned, or worse, detained. 5. National security concerns. If you are suspected of supporting or promoting a terrorist group, even online, your green card can be revoked. This includes social media activity, public protests, or associations. Even if your intent wasn't criminal, it may be interpreted as such. What you can do to protect your green card. If you are a green card holder, the good news is there are clear steps you can take to stay protected and avoid common mistakes. 1. Don't travel for extended periods unless absolutely necessary. Spending more than 6 months abroad can raise red flags. If you must leave, apply for a re-entry permit. It shows you intend to keep your U.S. residency. 2. Never sign Form I-407 unless you fully understand the consequences. This form means you're giving up your green card, often permanently. If asked to sign it, request to speak with an attorney or appear before a judge. You certainly have that right. 3. If you're eligible for citizenship, apply now. Naturalization gives you the highest level of protection under U.S. immigration law, including the right to re-enter the U.S. freely, vote in elections, sponsor family members, travel with a U.S. passport, and gain access to more federal benefits and protections. It's the most secure way to protect your future in the United States. 4. Talk to a lawyer if you've had any legal issues, even minor ones. Past charges or dismissed cases can resurface unexpectedly. A qualified attorney can help review your record, flag potential risks, and take action before they become problems at the border or during your next application. Having said that, and with all the shifts in immigration enforcement under the current administration, including policy changes linked to President Trump, the urgent question many are asking is, can Trump take your green card away? No, not really, not directly. But under the law, if you abandon your residency, commit fraud, or break certain rules, then yes, your status can be revoked. But here is the key: you have rights. You have time. And with the right steps, if you act wisely, you can protect your future, your status, and move forward with confidence. Don't let uncertainty hold you back. Stay aware, stay proactive, and take action when it counts to protect what you've worked so hard for. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more immigration news, travel tips, and green card updates right here on Immigram. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay updated, and we'll see you in the next video.